So you told me we're going to pick up a car. Obviously, I've been gone for a month. I have no idea what car we're getting. What did you get?
Well, I replaced the 765 and the GT4 with my spare ones. So obviously, you have to have spare ones.
Okay.
And then I bought a Maserati MC20, like 5 days ago, I think? So it's been ages, bro.
Who likes Maserati?
Not really me, to be honest. I test drove it. I wasn't all that impressed.
Well, let's go see it.
5 days. Since I got a new supercar, so it's I started to feel poor.
5 days, and you've not gotten a new supercar in 5 days.
Do you know what I mean?
Kind of.
So I started to feel a bit broke. It's like it's only been a week.
Oh my gosh.
I know, exactly.
It's been 5 days since I bought a stick of gum.
So I had to take drastic action. Make something happen.
Okay, I'm here for it. Are we gonna tear up the streets at least?
Well, it's coming to the winter, so I had to make a sensible decision. So I decided to get, you know, something 4-wheel drive, something calm, something sensible.
Okay.
Only 1,000 horsepower.
Only. It'll do.
Hybrid, so it's good for the environment.
Because we are environmentalists now.
Oh, completely, yeah. And Greta and I, we're like this. So,
let's go check it out.
I think I've done the right thing. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
Same old.
Nice to meet you. Good to meet you.
Here she is.
Here she is. My very sensible hybrid 4-wheel drive car for the winter, you know?
Yeah.
I wonder if I'll ever get the 15 cars the police took from me back. Because I'm a human trafficker. Fucking bollocks.
I think you should get 16. One up them.
I mean, I can replace them all tomorrow. But when we're going to get the original ones back, we're going to find out. This saga's certainly been interesting. Jail's certainly been an interesting experience. Anything that's difficult is certainly teaching. I don't believe that people learn things the easy way. I think you only learn things the hard way in life. In life, we all go through life, and bad things almost happen all the time, and none of us make any changes to our life at all until something bad actually happens. So, jail was good. Having all my stuff taken from me was good. Having all my wealth taken was good. All my wealth, please. I apologize. They tried. But, you know, the lessons were interesting. Now I just buy all the cars again. How much is it to replace all the cars? 9 million? Chump change. Bang. Buy the diamond watches again. A few million.
Money's not real.
Money's not real, but I'm just wondering if I'll get all my things back. We'll see one day.
Even if you do get it all back, double's better, always.
Oh, completely, yeah.
Yeah.
Have to find a bigger house to park them on. I guess.
All right, so we're getting a Ferrari now because I thought this was the Maserati with the body kit. No, this is a Ferrari.
Maserati's already come, and then I'm installing a body kit and a race exhaust. That's away. That'll be back tomorrow, I think.
Okay.
But like I said, it's been 5 days since I bought a new car, so I felt broke, so we got one. Felt poor. 1,000 horsepower, electric. I'm thinking of the environment, Bailey. Duh. You know what that is?
What?
It's a Ferrari SF90.
SF, super fast?
I don't know. I guess.
It's gotta be.
It's got to stand for something.
It is beautiful. Looks like the Batmobile.
It will be the Batmobile. Because I'm going to Batmobile it out even further. I'm going to put a carbon body kit on it and matte black PPF. It's going to be matte black and tinted windows. It'll be like the Batmobile. The police are going to stop me and they'll be so angry. How'd you get another car? We took all your cars. Why are you in the Batmobile? I thought you were supposed to be in jail. Why are you Batman? Pretty. It's pretty. We're gonna do a little bit of work on it. We're gonna make it even more Batmobile-ish, but it's perfect. You'll be driving through the mountains late at night. It'll be a dark night. You'll be driving in your normal car, and then something will overtake you. You'll be like, what was that? And it'll be me in this. Pitch black.
Yeah.
Plastic on the seats. That off.
Looks super cozy.
Yeah, it's got race harness for seatbelts, which annoys me. I wanted normal seatbelts. So I don't know if it has normal seatbelts or not. Oh well. Toronto package. I don't know what that means. Just ordered it. Carbon, 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 carbon. Every order, you just tick everything on the order box.
Always.
Of course. I'm gonna be a pussy. What do you want in your car? Well, everything. Tick, 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 tick. Give me everything. So I must have accidentally ticked race harnesses instead of normal seatbelts, but it's life.
The price you pay for going fast.
Price you pay for just ticking every box on the fucking configurator, isn't it?
Let's go.
Good to meet you. Good to meet you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Move the seat back because my legs are so long because I'm so tall and fucking sexy. All right, so we're in electric mode because we care about the environment. See that? Nice electric car. Nothing crazy.
Like you said, good for the environment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't know what any of these buttons do. Ah, oops. I put the engine on. Sorry.
Come on now, think about the turtles.
The turtles. Turtles never paid my rent. Not yet, anyway. Take it out and see what it can do.
And then CK make it in the replay. My baby coming on the Sunday. We up there, yo, full of fuck there. I'm a style it away, yo, move it fast. Such a thought I'm away. Put up play, podcast. I'm as man,
You know?
yo, make sure to kill it. Smooth it.
Think she's gonna set on fire?
I hope so.
Me too. Me too. I'll show you climate change. Just stop oil, no. Those of you who deserve freedom, I'm waiting for you here in the real world.